What up, everyone? It's Precious Faye right here. Thank you for joining my Twitter space 2 days ago, and I know you really get one or two things. However, I want to put a lot of things I've said during the Twitter space in a visualization so that you can have more graphs and understand a bit more. Well, before I continue, I will admonish you to subscribe, like, and share this channel to others so that they can also come and learn as well. It's going to be a very sweet journey, and I hope you enjoy it with me. Well, as a beginner in Forex, you have a lot to learn and you have a lot of patience to take. It's not something you want to rush into, you want to gather knowledge over time and become a profitable trader as well. Well, it entails a lot of risk and also it has a lot of rewards to give you. So, but when you are able to manage your risk very well, you will be able to make a lot from forex. So, all of these, how to manage your risk and how to do everything, we are going to teach you on this channel. Just don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. So, I'll take you right away to what I spoke about on the Twitter space. So, how to start your forex journey. So I made mention of a website called babypips.com. Babypips.com is a website I would assume most 21st century traders use to start their forex journey because this website has been in existence for a while and it has helped a lot of people through becoming a professional forex trader. So go to that website. You can search it on Google or just put it on your address bar babypips.com. Then I would advise that you join. Click on the link here to register on their website and open an account. Well, I think I have an account but I've forgotten. That was a long time ago. So after creating an account, come to Learn Forex here on the top bar. Then click on Learn Forex. Start course. Click on that and School of Pipsology, as you can see, they are one of the best. I will even say they are the best. So they take you out from preschool and they assume you are a kindergarten student right now. So they want to take you from scratch. They want to brush your head up and tell you about forex. Those grammars and everything that I was saying on the Twitter space, I know you understand them here. When you come to babypips.com, they'll walk you through the process and say, okay, now we did here. Now we teach forex trading better than everyone. So go to this place. You can start your journey. Then 1 2 days, you will understand most of the terminologies and everything I spoke about on the Twitter space within 1 or 2 days. So it will walk you through the process. That's it for that. And you have a lot of other tools that you want to use to guide yourself through the process of learning forex. I spoke about analysis. How do you want to know that you want to probably buy or sell? What are we buying and what are we selling? Baby Pips will teach you what exactly you want to buy and what exactly you want to sell, but they won't teach you how to buy and how to sell as a beginner. For subsequent courses, when you get to intermediate level, they'll probably be teaching you chart patterns and all of that. We'll also get to that. So there are two types of analysis in forex. Well, fundamental analysis and technical analysis. The fundamental analysis is you going into the economic activity of each country and seeing how those activity affect the currency, the value of their currency. For example, I made mention of the PMI news, producer manufacturing index news, the consumer price index news, the non-farm payroll news. These news are big events that affect the US dollar strongly. So I made reference to this website, myfxbook.com. This is the website I will use to check the economic calendar of each country. You can see this is Euro, this is USD and all of that. So this news just came out this morning. That's this consumer price index. It's happened every first Friday of the month. So it's a major determinant of inflation in a particular country. So anytime you see low in front of each news, that means it will literally have minimal effect on the value of the currency. Like it may not even move it. So if you have a medium impact, it will basically a little bit moderately move the currency and probably add or reduce to the value. But when you see anything high, you want to be wary of that, and you want to focus on that. So for example, see the CPI news that came out today. See how massively it affected the US dollar. As you can see right here, those are very, very big long candle here. So it really weakened the US dollar because the news report was bad. Can you see? So the report was really, 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 really bad. And there's other website is called the forexfactory.com. Forex Factory website is a very good website as well. It's worked the same way with my FX book website. They all tell you about what economic event is going on in each country. So you can see a lot of these. I have filtered this website to only show me moderate impact news and high impact news. I don't care about the low impact news because they literally do not affect anything with me. And the third one is CNBC. CNBC.com is the biggest economic platform in the world. So this website tell you everything that is going in every country economy. So it's a markets website, business website, investing website, technology, politics, and all of that can be found on CNBC. So you can register an account and create a watch list, add the currency you are always trading or you are taking a look at onto your watch list, see how those currency are doing, and see the news around them. Those things will guide you on maybe you want to sell them or you want to buy them. You are selling means you are expecting that they will lose value. You are buying means you are expecting that they will add more value. So that's what it all means. So the second part of analysis is technical analysis, which we spoke about. Technical analysis is you using a combination of chart patterns and mathematical tools to analyze and see maybe you want to buy or you want to sell. And I said the best website that most professional traders use is tradingview.com, as you can see in one of my charts here. So I open tradingview.com, this is it. They have a yearly or a monthly subscription or whatsoever. So I have a yearly subscription on that and I always renew it because I'm a trader. I always have to have this. So you can see their billing prices and see which one you can get and which can be comfortable for you. And other traders, there are a lot of traders that doesn't still use this trading view. They are most especially beginners or people who don't have enough funds. They can use their MetaTrader chart and I think there are a few other websites that they can use. I will probably take a deep look into that and share you some of those websites. Well, so this is it. Technical analysis, you come, you want to draw your chart pattern, you want to draw your line, you want to see how market is moving before you make an entry. So the reason why we have technical analysis is that one thing about price action in the forex market is that there's always repetition. Like price always respect the previous resistance it has created in the past or respect the previous support it has bounced on in the past. And also there's also a trend line pattern, a chart pattern and everything. We'll be talking much more about those things in subsequent videos and in subsequent lectures. Just make sure you subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned to our Telegram channel. Don't miss it. Turn on the notification for this channel as well so that you can get better updates on those ones. So summarily, go to babyswift.com, go to Learn Forex and start your course right there. Learn what Forex is and why we trade Forex and all of that. Then you come to Forex Factory, check your economic news and everything. Babybees.com will refer you to a lot of these websites and they'll push you through. So that will be the end of this video. Subsequent communication will be posted on our Telegram group, and just make sure you turn on the notification and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can wait for 1 minute for you to share and subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. I'll see you in the next video. It's Precious Paying right here again. Thank you.